Dear students, in this video I am going to explain you about editing a text. This is a topic of chapter 3 digital documentation. Editing a text means how we modify a text once we type the text and how we edit it. The first method is undo and redo. Undo feature is used to recover last changes done in a document. Redo is an opposite of undo feature. It is used to go back. Steps to do redo and undo: edit, then you click on redo, and for undo you select edit menu, then click on undo. Shortcut keys for undo is Ctrl plus Z, and shortcut key for redo is Ctrl plus Y. Okay, I am opening this one now. Something you type here by mistake, I typed here computer, and it is not a part of this document. Just what you do, you can click here and undo it, and again if you want to show it, you click on redo, then undo, or otherwise you go here, you click on redo, then again you click on undo here. You can use shortcut keys, means to do work fastly in the word processor software. Next topic is moving and copying a text. Here the first option is, it is used to move a text, a selected text, from one place to another. We can move text from one place to another using drag and drop feature. First, select a text, edit, then cut, or you press Ctrl plus X. In this way you can do it. Like if I want to place this one text here, this is called as a drag and drop operation. What you do, first you select the text and then you place wherever you want. In this way you can drag and drop the text. And this feature is for cut, copy and paste. These options are also used to move a text from one place to another, like here. But for this, the main thing is that you have to select a text. See, then the meaning of selected text means, like here, see here, these options are disabled. Cut, copy, paste. Whenever you select a text, then these options will activate. See this one, now they are showing in activation state. Means activation, or you can say enabled or disabled. See this one, these menus are disabled. Like here, paste is disabled. Whenever we cut the text, then automatically this menu will activate here. See this one, this is means it is now in the state of activation. Now what you do, just you copy this one, and again wherever you need this text, you can place it. Like you can use the shortcut keys Ctrl plus V. In this way you can do the cut, copy and paste operation. There is a difference between cut and copy. Like what I will do here, I will cut this text. You can do using this menu also, shortcut menu, cut it and paste anywhere wherever you need it. In this way you can do it. Cut and copy text, basically it stores in clipboard. Like this is a clipboard, and clipboard is like a buffer memory, and it depends on operating system to operating system that the capacity of the clipboard means how much text it can store at a time. And the clipboard text stores till the computer is switched on. Whenever you shut down the computer, automatically the text deletes from the clipboard. Now next topic is selecting a text. Selecting a text, it is a very important feature. How you select the text means it is necessary to select a text for cut, copy operation, cut, copy and move operation in a document. the selected text will be highlighted. Like here, what is the meaning of highlighted? Like you select it, it means it is in highlighted state. Now you see it is showing in highlighted state. Then what you do, text selection is a main steps for formatting and editing a document. Like in this topic we are covering this feature, editing a document, and in next video or means in next session I will cover this topic, formatting a document. And for formatting a document it is mandatory to use selecting a text, and there are many criteria to select a text. The first criteria is means how you select it. Like here first you see here I am using mouse to select a text. What you do here, just you double click, automatically the sentence will be selected. Like here, whenever you double click on a sentence, you see here it is a whole sentence here. How you can say it is a sentence? The sentence ends with full stop mark. Whenever you double click anywhere in the sentence, automatically the sentence will be selected. This is a criteria to select a sentence. At a time, this time I am showing you how to select a text using a mouse. Now next you see what are the selection tricks to speed up the selection process as below. First is a portion of a document can be selected by clicking and dragging. To do this, position the mouse pointer at the beginning of the selection. Click and hold the left button and move the mouse pointer to the end of the desired selection. Like here, what's the meaning of this line? Just you press the left button of a mouse and you drag it. In this way you can select it. And now you release the mouse pointer. Automatically, this means wherever you release the mouse pointer, that part will be selected automatically. Next is to deselect the text, move the mouse pointer to an unselected location. Click the left mouse button once. Like here, what's the meaning of this line? Just now I have selected it. Now you want to deselect. What you do here? This is an unselected part. Just to click here, automatically the selected text will be deselect. Means deselect means it will not highlighted. Now, to select a text in a document, press Ctrl A. Ctrl A means to hold the Control key and press the A key. Means if you want to use. Now, I am going to explain you how to select a text using a keyboard. First step is you hold the Shift key, then you drag. Means then drag, or you can say you use the arrow key of keyboard. This time I am using right side arrow key. Just what you do, in this way you can select it. This is the meaning. Means when you want to use keyboard for selection, or what you do if you want to select the whole document, what you do here, Ctrl plus A. See this one, the whole document will be highlighted. Now there are some selection methods using mouse. First is to select a letter or characters. This is a table. The first column is to see to select a letter or letters. Second is dragging the mouse across the letters. First is to select this method. The first method is to select a single word at a time. Position the mouse pointer anywhere on the word and double click. What you do here, if you want to select this word, just you double click here. Automatically the word will be selected. Second is to select a complete sentence at a time. What you do here, place the mouse pointer anywhere in the sentence and triple click. Triple click means to quickly click the left mouse button 3 times. What you do here, what we have to do, to select complete sentence, 3 times you have to click it. This one, see here, you can see this, listen the sound. 3 times I am clicking using left button of a mouse, automatically the whole sentence will be selected. To select a complete paragraph at a time, position the mouse pointer anywhere in the paragraph and quadruple click. Quadruple click means to quickly click the left button 4 times. Like you see here, quadruple click means 4 times you have to click. Place mouse pointer anywhere. You see this one, this is a whole paragraph. Now I am selecting using quadruple click. What you do here, 4 times you click. See this one. For whenever I am using left button to click 4 times. See this one, the text, the whole paragraph has been highlighted here. Now a document, when you want to select the whole document, what you do, just to press Ctrl plus A key, automatically the whole document will be highlighted. Now I think you understood about various selection methods using mouse. Next one is selecting non-consecutive text items. Non-consecutive text item means like means if you want to select this word, then after that this word, you see here, school, then education, then terminal. They are not means in consecutive portion, means they are not at a regular, means like here school, home, community, they are consecutive items here. What I will do here, just to hold the control key, first you selected this one in this way, terminal, attempted. This is called as selecting non-consecutive items. Means for this, what you do, again I am explaining you. What you do here, you place the mouse pointer on the word and hold the control key. Just double click on the word. Then here, you see here, I have selected here information, school, education and colleges word. They are not in regular order. Means see this, their position. First word is here, second word is here, third word is here and fourth word is here. Selecting a vertical block of a text. You see here, this is not a table. This one is a vertical block. Means it is possible to select a vertical block or column of a text that is separated by space or tabs. See this one, the whole, this one mark sheet, it is separated by tab key. Or you can separate using a mouse. Such type of block, means such type of content is known as block. It is not a table. Don't be confused about that this is a tabular content. How you select this one, such type of content? To select a vertical block or text, select from menu, edit, selection mode, edit. First you click on edit menu, then selection mode, then block area, or you press Alt Shift plus F8 key. This one I have made the block area. What you do here, you go to the edit, then selection mode. See this one. Now I am selecting the block content. See this one, this. If you disable it, then it is not possible to select. Means you can't select this column. Means here if you select means using previous method, then you see here the whole, means all blocks are selected. Whenever I am trying to select this block, automatically whole block is selected here. Now what you do here, again you enable it. Now you see here, I can select this block, I can select this block and I can select this block. This is the means advantage of using this method, selection mode. In this way, I think you understood about the various methods of selection criteria in Office ORG Writer. Again, I am revising some topics what you read means or what I have taught you in this topic, editing a text. Once again, I am repeating it. Editing a text means how you modify it, how you edit it. First method is undo and redo, and second method is moving and copying a text. Moving means dragging and dropping. Copying a text means use cut, copy, paste feature. Now selecting a text. Selecting a text is very important method. How you select it. This one first is there are various selection criteria and how you select a single word. Second one is how you select a complete sentence and how you select a complete paragraph and how you select a document. And then selecting non-consecutive items. Then after that I explained you about selecting a block, vertical block of text. Okay, thank you for this video.